My name is Dr. Bonilla. I'm from Costa Rica. What I like about my specialty and the things that we do here in dentistry is being able to give back the patient hope and that they can recover the smile, which I think is really important and really changes their lives. Every case is special, every case is different, but we always approach it as the most simple way to get you back to the normal, natural, smiling situation. Working with international patients has given us the opportunity to become better dentists by being able to compete international and being able to get the better technology that is in the world. The way we can actually get back to the patient is by using the Make Republic platform. And that way we'll have a feedback from the patient, how they're doing, what we can do for them, how can we improve, and that's what really dentistry is all about. This platform will help them not only for dental, it can also help them for all the medical situations.